Welcome back, guys, to my yard. I'm getting ready to do a little weeknight lawn work, and I just wanted to give you guys a quick update on kind of how things are progressing each week. And as you can see from behind me, and let me flip this around, the lawn's actually in pretty great shape. It's holding green. I'm going to throw the drone up here in a minute and get you some drone footage of kind of where things are at. Definitely fighting a lot of nut sedge. So, you can kind of see it there, and I've got quite a bit popping up all over. I'll be putting some sledgehammer down. I was hoping to get a little bit of rain today, and unfortunately that just didn't happen. But regardless, the lawn's in pretty good shape. The mites seem to have, the activity definitely has toned down, and as I showed last week, it's definitely a lot better than what we were seeing early on this year, although it looks like I'm still dealing with a little bit of witching, so I'll probably be putting another application. Now that actually isn't too bad. I don't know if you guys can see that very well. It looked like it was witching, but maybe not so much. Lawn needs to be cut, so it's a little bit long, but I'm really not seeing any bad witching like I was seeing before. That's kind of what it was looking like early on. Definitely not as tight. So again, the Delta Guard seems to be working, so I'm pretty pleased with that. I'll be doing another application here probably this weekend. I'll get some down, and we'll take it from there. So sit back, relax, enjoy some drone footage of me mowing the lawn with the cow trimmer, and let's get it in the air.
When I wake up, what do there? Is this even real? Only thing that kept my heart beating. Don't wanna miss a thing, so stay wide awake. Only come out at night, but we're still looking for a sign. But when I wake up, I can't help but to wonder, is this even see the stars. Come out at night, but we're still looking for a sign. When I wake up, oh, I can't help but to wonder, is this even real? Come out at night, but we're still looking for a sign. When I wake up, oh, I can't help but to wonder, is this even real? And can you see the stars?
Alright guys, I hope you liked the video tonight. I didn't have a lot to show, not a lot to really talk about, to be completely honest with you. Just giving the lawn a little drink. I did put down Carbon X. Yesterday we were supposed to get rain. We had a 50% chance of rain, and I think everybody around us got it, but unfortunately we didn't see any on my side of the Metroplex. So put down the Carbon X. I did put down some of the 002 green effect on the front lawn. One thing that I've changed up, because I have all that new sod and I just really wanted to make it through the heat, I've been mowing it with my reel mower at a little bit taller height, and I'll probably just continue with that. It looks really good, as you guys seen from the drone footage. It's dark green out there, and it's actually performing pretty well. So the rest of the lawn, the pool, the backyard, the front drive, the strip between my neighbor's house and mine, I'm all mowing out at the highest setting on the cow trimmer, which should be somewhere around like 1 3/8 inches or something like that. So that's the update. I hope you enjoyed the drone footage. Really appreciate all of the support. I've got quite a few people that have subscribed the last couple weeks, the last couple months, and definitely makes making these videos a little bit easier. They do take time, and not that I mind. It's just nice to see that people are wanting to come along for the ride. So if you could, give me a like, give me a comment. Appreciate all the comments, feedback. I'll probably have an update on the Bermuda mites maybe after this weekend. I'm most likely going to treat again with the Delta Guard and watch the weather. At this point, it's just a waiting game. Hopefully some more rain will come in, and I can maybe cut back a little on the watering, because we really haven't had much rain to speak of since mid-June. So appreciate the support. Give me a like, thumbs up, subscribe, tell your friends, and I'll see you guys in the lawn.